The same debtor Nuredine died. Nuridin knew well and recognized the regionalism of his brother Emomali. Therefore, he tried to take bribes mainly from Dungara. In 2009, Nazar Zoda Hotam Nazurulo was the transport prosecutor of Tajikistan. He was considered Nuridin's tractor driver. He received all his duties through this tractor driver Nouridine. Of course, by paying large sums of money. Because Nazar Zoda Hotam was also from Dungara. At that time, Nouridin already openly and directly defined the size of the bribe or limit. Here's how many millions of dollars you bring. Then I will give you the position. In a private conversation with Nazar Zoda Hotam, Nouridin told him, "Bring the box, collect the money, bring it. I will make the Prosecutor General." "Hey, old man," Bobacon Boba meant, "he does not listen to a single word and does not recognize me. Even if you are my brother, you do not listen to my brother's words. You collect money, bring 5 or 6 lemons. I will say that it is big. I will give you half the money and everything will be fine." And my brother would not work until he saw money in his eyes. So, within a year, Nazar Zoda Hotam collects $5 million, hands it over to Nuridin in cash, and waits for Prosecutor General Boboconov to be fired and appointed to this position. However, the director of the anti-corruption agency, Shercon Salem Zoda, who tried to become Prosecutor General for